Morning students, for today let's see some extra questions. Question number 1. In a university, out of 100 students, 15 offer mathematics only, 12 offer statistics only, 8 offer physics only, 40 offer physics and mathematics, 20 offer physics and statistics, and 10 offer mathematics and 10 offer mathematics and statistics, and 65 offer physics. Sumain tawraga nangonda condition ma'am pireko. Find the number of the students who, number 1, offer mathematics, number 2, offer statistics, number 3, did not offer any of the 3 subjects. Sigi subject ahumakse offer tawdaba students puthokadaba ko. Then akoina kai khale, let capital M, S and P be the set of the students who offer mathematics, statistics and physics respectively. Sumain tawraga akoina togan ba set ahum laure, M haiba mane, S haiba mane, P haiba mane laure ko. Then write the given conditions. Here N, number of M only, number of the students who offer maths only is equal to 15, number of S only, states khatamag lobo se 12 ni ko, physics khatamag lobo se 8 ni, and number of the students who offer both physics and maths. Who offer both physics and maths is equal to 40, and the 20 offer both physics and statistics. Physics ka states ka lobo se 20 tare. Then maths and statistics. Maths ka statistics ka lobo se na kya pire 10 pire ko, and 65 offer physics. Number of P is equal to 65. Roman number 1 din ang nahoto sa kaino, number of the students who offer mathematics. Number 2, number of the students who offer statistics ko. Number 3, that did not offer any of the 3 subjects. Dunas da kuna P only ki formula sen E se ba ko kay gino harakanda number of P se P reba, and the number of the students who offer all the 3 subjects a condition si the pangbangam de adu pangbangam na ba. First write number of P only. Number of P only is given by number of P minus number of P intersection M minus number of P intersection A plus number of P intersection M intersection S. Number of P only is 8, number of P is 65, P intersection M 40, P intersection S 20 plus right number of P intersection M intersection S. Adili 8 thamne ko 40 plus 20 60 tare, 65 minus 60 plus C ito ay ani se khaidong na base 5 ne ba. Number of P intersection M intersection S will be equal to n minus 5 is equal to 3. Nangi subject ahum magse maths ne, physics ne, statistics ne ahum magse loba mi masing se kya khata lere ahum lere ko. Duna number 1 gise akoina answer kumba orase. Number 1, number of M only, number of students who offer maths putho haibane, number of students who offer maths have question appears and M only have a piramani M only ki formula ire ko, which is equal to number of M minus number of M minus number of M intersection P minus M intersection A plus number of M intersection P intersection S. Number of M only se 15 tare ko, number of N se puthok toine ba M intersection P 40, M intersection S 10, and the intersection of 3 sets e ngasai ko na puthok ra result to kya phange 3 phange ko. If 15 is equal to number of M minus 40 minus 10 is equal to minus 50 plus 3, and their difference is equal to minus 45. Here we are going to find the value of M ne. Si M ki value puthok toine ko. Si transpose tora, transpose minus 45 from right to left, it should be plus 47, and find the sum of these two numbers. 15 plus 47 is equal to 62. So the number of the students who offer maths is equal to 62. Nangi maths lobo students have 62 phangi ko. Roman number 2 the kai hagi, find the number of the students who offer statistics. States only ki formula iroba, number of S only. Number of S only is equal to number of S minus number of P intersection S minus number of M intersection S plus number of M intersection P intersection S. S only is 12, number of S irregular, P intersection S 20, M intersection S 10, and the intersection of 3 set is equal to 3. 20 minus 10 is equal to minus 30. Minus 30 plus 3 is equal to minus 27. Then transpose this minus 27 from right to left, it should be plus 27, and the sum of these two numbers is equal to 39, and hence the number of the students who offer statistics is equal to 39. States low was that kya tare 39 tare ko. Number 3 ki question se kaino, find the number of the students who did not offer any of the three subjects. Subject ahummakse amata laudaba students putho'o haibaniba aduna yamdrabada koina subject ama se ahum segi manungda ama lauba hana puthokaniba. Here we have to find the number of the students who offer at least one of the given subject, which is denoted by M union P union S. Subject ahum segi manungda yamdrabada ama lauba students kaigi formula na P magi union na P ko. Then write the formula of M union P union S, which is equal to number of M plus number of P plus number of S minus number of M intersection P minus M intersection S minus P intersection S plus number of M intersection P intersection S. Number of M is 62, number of P 65, number of S 39, M intersection P minus 40, M intersection S 10 tareko, P intersection S 20, and the intersection of 3 set is equal to 3. So minus 3 fange. And that is 62, 65, 39 plus 3. My omgis marigi sum se 169 and sum of 40, 10 and 20 is equal to 70. And their difference is equal to 99. Nangi question sida kay pigi. In a university, out of 100 students, Satra chamagi manungda, Satra 99 di maths, physics, statistics, ahum sigi manungda amamam di laure ko ayam drabada. Aduna amata laudaba hai taraga di total number of students to the 99 khaidokdine. And hence the number of the students who did not offer any of the three subjects is equal to M union P union S bar. This bar represents complement. Complement habaniko, which is equal to 100 minus number of M union P union S. So 100 minus 99 is equal to 1. Ama phange ko 1 is the only student who did not offer any of the three subjects. Satra amadi maths laudre, physics laudre, statistics laudre ko. The nangi se problem says the lore. Next problem. Question number 2. In a school at lunchtime, 120 students go to the canteen which sells ice cream, buns and samosa. 42 students buy ice cream, 35 buy buns and 10 only samosas. 15 students buy ice cream and the buns and 8 buy ice cream and samosa. 4 buy samosas and buns but not ice cream, and 11 buy ice cream and buns but not samosa. Find number 1, how many students buy nothing at all. Number 2, how many students buy at least 2 items. Number 3, how many buy all the 3 items. Sumain taraga nangon the problem. Sige question ahum pire ko. Si question ahum sa nang answer pi tare. The question siya na para ko. In a school at lunchtime, 120 students go to the canteen. Nangi school amada 120 students sa canteen da chale. Canteen je kay yole, ice cream ne, buns ne, samosa ni yole ko. 42 students buy ice cream. Ice cream level se 42 ne, 35 na buns lere. And 10 only samosa. Samosa khaktamuk level se 10 ni ko. 15 students buy ice cream and samosa. Ice cream ga samosa buns ga level se 15 ni, aduga 8 buy ice cream and samosa. Ice cream ga samosa ga level se 8 ni, and the 4 buy samosa and the buns but not ice cream. Mi Maria amadi student Maria amadi samosa ga buns ga lay but kay di lay de ice cream di lay de ko. And 11 buy ice cream and the buns but no samosa. Condition me am saying ko adudi sigi students set ahum thona khaido. Let I, B and S be the set of the students who buy ice cream, buns and samosa respectively. Ice cream saning basina I na represent hole, aduga nangi bun saning basina B na represent hole, aduga S ina samosas ore ko. Then we have kuna Venn diagram me. Venn diagram sida I union B union S service reason kya thona khaido union of I, B and S is divided into 7 different regions. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, and G ni ko. Sigi A union B union S akoina region tare thokna khaido ema se region se amta manade ko. Duna first kay hai 42 students buy ice cream. Sigi ice cream se the circle representing the set of the students who offer ice cream is divided into 4 regions, and this region A plus E plus D plus Z, it will be equal to 42. See to go. Next 35 students buy buns. Bun se region kya thongna khaido is 7 thongna khaido. B plus E plus Z plus F is equal to 35. And third 10 only samosa. Only samosa's part is represented by this small letter C. So value of C will be equal to 10. Ready question number 3. and 15 students buy ice cream and the buns. Ice cream and buns intersection part color. Find the intersection of B and I, which is represented by this region, and this region is divided into two parts, and E plus Z. E plus Z will be equal to 15. I'd buy ice cream and the samosa. Ice cream and samosa, their intersection part is denoted by D plus Z. D plus Z is equal to 8. Then for buy samosa and the buns, but not ice cream. Samosa ga buns ka. Samosa silareko. Samosa and buns, their intersection part is denoted by Z plus F, but not ice cream. Ice cream yaudava hai. This Z is Z represents the set of the students who buy all the three items. See, ice cream yauba yaureko. Ice cream yauba yauba se yadeba. Sida hairise kai haire. Question number is 4 buy samosas and the buns but not ice cream. G the ice cream yaure. Ice cream yauda the F oreko. Your F is equal to 4. Ready? Question number 6. Last 11 buy ice cream and the buns but no samosa. 11 buy ice cream and buns. Ice cream and buns, their intersection part is represented by Z plus E. But this Z part represents the set of the students who buy ice cream. Ice cream yauribako aduna E value of E will be equal to 11 phangeko. Koina sida equation kya lere? There are seven equations. By using these 7 equations, we need to find the values of A, B, C ki value phangreko. D की value होलनी, E की value होलनी, E की value फंगे, F की value फंगे, Z का अहुम से value होता है। कोई ना सी से question E दा E की value से क्या तारे 11 तारे को putting the value of E in equation number 4 डाल से E plus Z is equal to from equation number 4 11 plus Z is equal to 15, so value of Z is equal to 4. From equation number 5, D plus Z is equal to 8 and value of Z is 4. D plus 4, 8 tareko, the D se 4 sale. Equation number 1 dhape. A plus, question number 1, A plus D plus E plus Z. Value of A lareko. A ki value phang de D4 and amansina kay tare 11. E की वैल्यू से 11 है and Z की वैल्यू से क्या नो 4 तारेगा 42. See A plus 11 plus 4 19 equals to 42. Value of A is equal to 42 minus 19, which is equal to 23. From equation number 2. Question number 2 na kaya hai? From equation number 2, B plus E plus Z plus F niko. B plus E plus Z plus F. Today कोई ना first B की value दी फंग दे, E की value हाँ पे, B की value, Z की value हाँ पे का मथंग द कना की value हाँ पे नहीं, F की value 4 हाँ पे, which is equal to 35. B plus sum से 19 35. B value of B 35 minus 19 16 फंगे का. Number 1. So माइन तरह कना की A की B की C की value से लोग फंगने बा. Number 1 द कहीं है. First question is how many students buy nothing at all? Haidi nangona piriba item ahum se amatta laidaba students. First we need to find the number of the students who buy at least one of the three items, which is given by their union. Union of I, B, and S is given by A plus B plus C, D, E, F, Z. Substituting these values, we have 23 plus 16, 10, 4, 11, 4, 4, and their sum is equal to 72. Nangi out of 122 students to give manung 72 students the ice cream leramba yai, buns leramba yai, kay leramba yai, samosas leramba yai ko. Then we have to find the number of the students who did not buy any of the three items, which is equal to 120 minus 72, 48. 48 students the nang item ahum se amta laidre. Then for Roman number 2, the number of the students who buy at least 2 items. Yamdrabada item ani layba haiba. Item ahum layrasu yai ko. Adun item ani layba sina kay na represent rani. The number of the students who buy 2 items is D, E, F na representer, and this reason Z represents the set of the students who offer all the 3 items. Aduna question number 2 given the at least yamdrabada ani have ahum laybasu yabanina, which is given by D plus E plus A plus Z. Sigi nangi letters marisa sigi samna pirani. 4 plus 11 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 23. Number 3. The number of the students who buy all the 3 items. All the 3 items is Z na represent tawiko, and value of Z is equal to 4. 4 oitadi se 4 tare. See the question number 2 lore. Now we are going to learn about chapter number 2, relations and functions. Relation and functions, it carries 6 marks. Magi marks at taruk. First, let us define the definition of order pair. Order pairs and define tarase. A pair of the 2 objects or elements taken in specific order. A pair of 2 elements or objects taken in specific order is called an order pair. Order pair haidi kaino nangi element ani natraga object ani sa specific order ram the iraga the order pair kawiko. If A and the B are 2 elements, then we can form 2 order pairs. They are A, B and B, A. Order pair kya form tawangame ani form tawangame ko. A B habamaga B A habamaga, but they are not equal. Mandi manadeva. In case of order pair A, B, this first element is called first component. Second element is called second component. Ahan bagisina first component kawi, ani subasina second component kawi ko. If the order pair A, B is equal to C, D, then nangi order pair first siga sigi second siga manai hai taragadi corresponding components se mana neba, which implies that A should be equal to C and B is equal to D. Smaila kaniko. Koina nangon the element ani piraba A habanga B habang piba kanda order pair form tauge hai taradi A and B separated by commas and enclosed within false bracket. False bracket ki manung na thamakani. Then element ani hek piba matamda order pair kya form tauge yare ani form tauge yare ko A, B habanga B, A habamaga. Next topic, Cartesian product of 2 sets. Let's define Cartesian product of 2 sets. Let A and B be any 2 non-empty sets. The Cartesian product of A and B, denoted by A cross B, is the set of all the other pairs of elements from set A and the set B. Haibadi Cartesian product haidi kaino set of all the other pairs ni. Other pair mayam se kanana sembo oigadava form from the elements of set A and the set B. That is, A cross B is equal to set containing order pair A, B, where the first component A belongs to set A and the second component B belongs to the set B. Mana mentor is kaino A ga B ga se Cartesian product logba haita the order pair mayam ini. Order pair mayam se kana dagi element logani. First components in a set A dagi logani. Second components in a set B dagi logani ko. For example, set A having 2 elements 1 and 2. B is a set having 2 elements 3 and 4. We can write A cross B. A cross B is the set of order pairs from set A and set B. A na mamang thangadi first components are elements of set A. B na mamang thangadi first components in B ta doini ko. A cross B hana lower se. A cross B A na mamang thangani B na second thangaga order pair iro. 1, 3, 1, 4. Ani si ira ko. Then 2, 3 and 2, 4. Order pair kya yaure? Mari yaure. There are 4 order pairs of Cartesian product of A and B. Then in case of B cross A, B na mamang thangi ko. All the first component will be the elements of set A. Then write 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1 and 4, 2. Smaitara ito kaneba, but A cross B is not equal to B cross A. A cross B ga B cross A ga manade, but they have same number of elements. Element masing di chakmane ko mari yawe aduga A cross B ga kay ga di manade heba B cross A ga di manade. Note: there are some important notes for Cartesian product of 2 sets. If A is a set with number of elements is equal to P. Here number of A is equal to P and number of B is equal to Q. Nangon the set ani pire ko A habanga B habanga number of elements of set A na P yaure, number of elements of set B na Q yaure. Then the number of Cartesian product of A and B is equal to P into Q, which is given by number of set A into number of set B. Habadi Cartesian products the element kya yauni hai taragadi number of A ga number of B ga into taragani. Number 2, if A is equal to 5 or B is equal to 5, then their Cartesian product will be equal to 5. Mana minter se kaino nangi set ani piraba. Set ani dugi manungda ama 5 oragadi nangi Cartesian product se 5 taneba. Dagi next topic ko Cartesian product of 3 set. 3 set ki koina Cartesian product se kamai logani. Let capital A, B and C be any 3 non-given sets. Given non-empty sets. Non-empty sets when non-empty set oidar the Cartesian product 0 zattuini ko. Then the Cartesian product A cross B cross C is defined as kamai defined the way A cross B cross C is equal to hiraga combination of 3 elements bang A, B and C. Where first element A belongs to set A, second element belongs to set B, and the third element belongs to set C, where the combination of 3 elements A, B, C is called the order triplets. Sigi maming se kai kaure order triplets kawebuko. Cartesian product of 3 set oitar the combination of 3 objects together, and this combination of 3 objects is called order triplets. Order triplets say first component belongs to set A, second component belongs to set B, and the third component belongs to set C. Today example, let us consider 3 sets, set A, B, and C. Silore ko A, B, B, C, D yare, C dana E, F yare. A cross B cross C. Amukta the hot piadavanina kona first kaigi value hanalogani. First find the Cartesian product of any one of the 2 sets. Nangi piriva set ani sigi manungda. Ani gi Cartesian product hanalore ko A cross B ga C ga the lore nakala. Write the Cartesian product of B and C. Cartesian product of B and C is the set of order pairs formed from elements of B and C. It will be C, E, C, F, D, E, and the D, F. And so there are 4 order pairs mari laireko. Then combining these elements with the elements of set A. A na mamang thangadi A gi elements in the first component oidini. Write the elements of set A, B cross product of these order pairs. And so all the order triplets are A, C, E, A, C, F, A, D, E. Stayaribu order pair singsigi mamang the A hapsiloko. Matang na kay hapsilakani, B hapsilakani. B, C, E, B, C, F, B, D, E, and the B, D, F. These are the order triplets formed from the elements of set A, set B, and the set C. And this represents the Cartesian product of 3 sets A, B, and C. So my taraga ko na Cartesian product si logan. The Cartesian product of 2 sets matame, Cartesian product of 3 sets matame ko. Sisu mamangi note siga chapmane. If number of A is equal to P, number of B is equal to Q, and number of C is equal to L oitaragadi, number of A cross B cross C is equal to P into Q into L taneba. Then if one of the 3 set is equal to 5, then their Cartesian product will be equal to 5. Nangi set ahum pibagi manung set ama se 5 taragadi. Nangi Cartesian product of 3 sets dum 5 taraniba. Now let's do exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1, question number 1 yung sika. If the order pair x by 3 plus 1 y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3, 1 by 3, then find the values of x and y. Order pair ani manay hana pira ko nang kay gi value hole, find the values of x and y. X, y gi values hot low na here. The exercise 2.1, question number 1, it is given that the order pair given in left hand side is equal to right hand side. By equality of order pair, this first component should be equal to first component, this second component will be equal to second component. So x by 3 plus 1 is 5 by 3, and the y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. X by 3, transpose this plus 1 from left to right, it should be minus 1y. Transpose this minus 2 by 3 from left to right, it should be plus 2 by 3. X by 3 is equal to LCM lower 3 tare, LCM lower d 3, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and the y. Same denominator, find the sum of numerator, 3 by 3, 1 pange. Here we have the value of y is equal to plus 1. X by 3 is equal to 2 divided by 3. Cancelling this 3, 3. We have value of x is equal to 2 and y ki value sina kya tare, 1 tare ko. Question number 1 da x ki value na 2 pange, y ki value na 1 tare. For today, let's end here.